Zozan's trip to Diyarbakır, the city of ancient walls. Zozan flew all the way to Diyarbakır to visit her cousin Sivan. When she arrived, the first thing she saw was a massive dark black wall that seemed to hug the whole city. "Welcome to the city of basalt," Sivan announced, pointing up at the ancient stones. "These are the Diyarbakır walls, one of the longest and oldest protective walls in the world, built from dark volcanic basalt rock." "They look so strong and dark," Zozan said, running her hand over the cool stone. "They have protected this city for thousands of years, Zozan. And look," Sivan led her up a winding staircase built into the stone. "From the top, you can see all the history we are standing on." Zozan gasped. The view was incredible. On one side lay the busy, ancient city, and on the other, green farmlands stretched down to a silver ribbon of water. "That's the famous Tigris River," Sivan explained. "And those green areas below are the Hefsel Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, just like the Diyarbakır walls. The Hefsel Gardens have fed our city for hundreds of years. They are called the lifeline of Diyarbakır," Sivan explained as they carefully walked down into the green valley. They saw farmers tending fields of fresh produce. It was a peaceful contrast to the high black walls above. Back inside the historical center, Zozan was ready for more facts. Sivan stopped outside a grand old building. "This is the Ulu Cami, or the Grand Mosque. It's famous because it was built over 1,000 years ago, making it one of the oldest and most important mosques in Anatolia." They moved deeper into the old town, navigating narrow, cobbled streets. Suddenly, Zozan stopped in front of a unique structure. "Why does that minaret have 4 legs?" she whispered. Sivan chuckled. "That is the 4-legged minaret. Legend says if you walk around the 4 columns 7 times, your wish will come true." All that exploring made them hungry. Sivan bought them a local treat. "You must try ikli kofte," he insisted, handing her a crispy, spiced ball of goodness. Diyarbakır food is famous for being hearty and flavorful, just like its history. "We also make the best burma kadayif, a sweet dessert." As they finished eating, Zozan noticed the black basalt stone was everywhere, in the streets, in the houses, and even around the market stalls. "It really is the city of basalt," Zozan mused. "That black stone keeps the buildings cool in summer and warm in winter." Sivan nodded, explaining that the dark rock has been the defining material of the city for millennia. For their final stop, Sivan led Zozan into a covered marketplace full of noise and sparkle, the Coppersmith's Bazaar near the historic Hasan Pasahani. Artisans hammered beautiful designs onto shiny pots and trays. "Diyarbakır has been a trading hub for centuries," Sivan shouted over the noise. "Our local crafts, especially coppersmithing, are legendary." Zozan held a small, decorated copper keepsake, remembering the ancient basalt walls, the flowing Tigris, the Hefsel Gardens, and the unique 4-legged tower. "Diyarbakır is more than just history," she told Sivan. "It's alive! It is truly the Pearl of the East." Sivan smiled. "Now you know why we love our incredible city."